Welcome back to KeiroCraze, the place where science, danger, and pure insanity collide. Today's video is on another level. We're about to witness a man jump from 25,000 feet without a parachute, a team attempting to fly a real airplane made almost entirely from cardboard, a stunt that looks straight out of an action movie, and a camera balloon that travels so high you can literally see the curve of Earth. Some of these experiments are genius. Some are completely crazy. Every clip will face the ultimate test, the KeiroCraze Rating. So buckle up, because today, gravity is basically optional. Skydiving. You have likely seen people skydiving in videos many times before, or perhaps you have even gone skydiving yourself. It is quite an exhilarating experience. But what would happen if you were to dive out of a plane, soaring through the sky, only to realize moments later that you hadn't put on a parachute? Meet Luke Akins, a 42-year-old man who has been skydiving since the age of 16. And in this video, he is about to do something truly extraordinary. Before this video was filmed, he had already completed nearly 18,000 skydives. He currently works as a coach for new skydivers. Now, what he is about to attempt today is something entirely different. So much so that when he executed it, the entire event was broadcast live on television. The plan is for him to jump from an altitude of 25,000 feet without a parachute. Look, 4 people have jumped simultaneously. 3 of them are equipped with parachutes, but Luke has none.
It looks absolutely spectacular. As he plummets earthward, Luke is free falling at a speed of 120 miles per hour. But how will he survive? Take a look. Do you see something down below? Exactly. A massive safety net has been set up beneath him. However, the challenge lies in the fact that Luke must land precisely within that net. And that is by no means an easy feat. With just 200 feet remaining before impact, Luke executes a backflip. And oh my God, an amazing landing. What a breathtaking sight. Had he miscalculated by even the slightest margin, Luke would have lost his life. This jump set a new world record. I give this experiment, conducted in 2016, a rating of 10 out of 10 on KeiroCraze.
The video we are about to watch is all about an airplane. You might be thinking, what could be so special about this? We've seen all kinds of planes before. But wait, have you ever seen anything like this? Can you tell what this is? Friends, this is a plane made entirely out of cardboard. Yes, really. Let's take a look at how this plane was built, and then we'll see whether or not it actually flies. So as you can see, after conducting extensive research on the design and other specifications, the team began constructing the plane using cardboard. The process, cutting the cardboard and gluing the pieces together, is being carried out step by step. Every single material is being thoroughly tested. Look, under just a small amount of weight, it buckled right in the middle. After testing various materials in this manner, a specific type of material is finally selected and finalized. From there, the work proceeds rapidly. As easy as this might look, it is actually anything but simple, because everything here needs to be absolutely perfect. Now, laser cutting tools are being used to cut out the wings. Subsequently, every tiny component is being glued into place by hand. Now, by assembling all these pieces, the massive wing is being constructed. The structural framework of the wing is currently being covered. The second wing is being built in exactly the same way. And just like that, the space for the pilot's cockpit seat is being mapped out. The cutting is being executed with absolute precision to ensure a perfect fit.
And just like that, the cockpit window is complete. With every component meticulously joined together, the cockpit is now ready. It certainly looks magnificent, but there is still a great deal of work left to be done. Flaps are now being installed to enable the plane to take off, land, and maneuver, and it is absolutely crucial that they function perfectly. Finally, all the various components are being interconnected using a system of wires. Let's head back inside and give everything another check. All right, let's go ahead and handle some electrical work to ensure everything is functioning properly. As you can see, everything is working perfectly. Okay, so without wasting any more time on the construction process, let's head straight to the airfield, the spot where the plane will take off. Upon reaching the airfield, the wings are being attached to the cockpit. Once the wings were in place, they tested their structural integrity by hanging from them. And now it is ready for flight. There goes the pilot, climbing into his tiny cockpit. The propellers have started spinning as well. And off it goes. I am absolutely thrilled. We can see the pilot smiling at us through the window. But, what just happened? It looks like the wheels aren't holding up. And just like that, the plane has come to a halt. It was certainly disheartening to watch, but I have full faith that these guys will figure out a way to make it work. So to give the plane a bit of a speed boost, they've now hitched it to a car. Look, the car is going to tow the plane until it reaches a certain velocity, and they're off. They've built up some good speed. Wow. Did you see that? It's actually gaining altitude. Oh my God. It has failed even after getting airborne. But hats off to their spirit. They haven't given up yet. Along with repairing the plane, they've made some slight adjustments to the wings. And after a great deal of hard work, they are back on the ground, ready to take flight once again. This time, it simply has to fly. It's moving now. The speed is looking good too. And look at that. Oh my God. They've done it. Bravo! After flying for a short distance, they brought it back down for a landing. They didn't have the legal clearance to take the plane beyond the boundaries of this airfield. So, to get it back to the starting point, they're going to take flight one more time. Simply amazing. I am truly very happy for them. Their hard work has paid off. The KeiroCraze score for this plane, which is made of 97% cardboard, 10 out of 10.
Do you see what's happening? Yes, these 4 individuals are about to jump from a hot air balloon, but there's more to the story than just that. Did you catch that? This crazy guy actually pulled out his parachute and threw it away beforehand. Oh, and he's not even wearing a t-shirt. What is going on, man? All right, no matter. They're ready to jump. Oh my God! He actually jumped without a parachute! He's plummeting toward the ground at breakneck speed, buffeted by the wind. But how is he going to survive? Unlike in the first video, there isn't even a safety net set up below. The plan is for him to grab onto one of his companions, the ones who do have parachutes. Look, he's latched on, and now the 2 of them are together. And look, they've successfully deployed the parachute. Even so, this is by no means an easy feat. Both of them are now descending safely, supported by the parachute.
This stunt was nothing short of a scene straight out of a Tom Cruise movie, and it was 100% real. Both of them executed a perfect landing as well. Look how happy they are. And why wouldn't they be? What an amazing, heart-stopping video. For their daring and their bond, KeiroCraze gives them a rating of 9.5 out of 10.
As you may already know, capturing images of Earth from the universe is typically done using satellites. However, if you wish, you too can do exactly that. How? Just like in this video. Isn't that an incredible view of Earth? Actually, a YouTuber attached his camera to a large balloon and launched it into the air. As you can see, the camera is airborne, dangling from the balloon, and ascending higher and higher. It is capturing a truly fascinating video that is incredibly entertaining to watch. By now, it has reached a considerable altitude, and the view of Earth below looks absolutely magnificent. In no time at all, it ascends above the clouds, the very zone where airplanes typically fly. Oh, it has now reached such a height that the curvature of the Earth is clearly visible. It is truly remarkable. It almost looks as though it has escaped Earth's atmosphere, but that is not the case just yet.
However, something different is about to happen. Due to the diminishing external atmospheric pressure, the gas inside the balloon begins to expand, and just like that, the balloon bursts. But wait, A small parachute has safely deployed, which will gently guide the camera back down. And so, capturing serene and breathtaking views all the while, the camera makes a smooth and safe return to Earth. I thoroughly enjoyed watching this video. On the KeiroCraze rating scale, this video earns a score of 8.5 out of 10.
That was absolutely wild. From record-breaking free falls to a flying cardboard plane, today's experiments honestly felt unreal. But now I want to know, which moment blew your mind the most? Was it the parachute-free skydive, the mid-air rescue stunt, the balloon reaching near space, or that cardboard plane finally taking flight after failing again and again? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you enjoy crazy experiments, satisfying science, unbelievable engineering, and reactions that keep things real, subscribe to KeiroCraze and become part of the chaos. Because on this channel, we don't just react to experiments, we survive them. See you in the next one.